All right, everybody, this one is going to be interesting. If you're a real estate agent and you're new to the channel, take a look, guys. I've got almost 400 videos on this channel. We're approaching 10,000 agents subscribed, and my goal has been to give you guys marketing content that works, not the BS, but actionable marketing strategies you could employ literally today. And if you're not new to the channel, if you've been a subscriber, then you definitely want to watch this one. Because I'm going to actually expose you to the very systems that we use. And I do have a team of agents. We've got agents in multiple states. This is what I coach, teach, and train them on weekly. And these are the systems I use in my business to gain 6 figures a year in income just in real estate closings. And let me make one further point. I'm very busy. I have real estate teams that I'm running. I've got real estate businesses that I am CEO over. So I don't have time to be a full-time on the field agent, and I still do 6 figures a year with real estate listings and working with buyers. And most of that comes from one of the components in the system I'm about to share with you. And 100% of those leads come to me. I don't cold call them. They find me and they come to me and they want to work with me. And I'm going to show you guys how to scale that system. Now, there is a cost if you want my program, and I'm about to tell you what it is. And the reason that I'm going to do that is I don't want you wondering, when's the hammer going to drop? I don't do that on this channel. Either buy it and scale your business if you like what you see, or don't. It's not relevant. But I want to show you what we use and explain how this system can help you guys 10x your business. But let me say this, if you are struggling right now, you don't know how you're going to make it next month, don't buy this thing, even at the price I'm going to share with you in a second, which is just ridiculous. Look below the video. There's a link that says, get Kelly's letter. I'm going to give you my highest converting expired letter. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to download it. You have to have Canva. They do have a free account. And I want you to download it. I want you to change out some of the information on it, my information, put yours on it. And then I want you to send it to as many expireds as you can. Just go get you some stamps, some envelopes. Go get you some expireds to set some appointments through this letter. Go list a couple of them. Go close one of them. Then come back and go all in on what I'm about to show you. All right. So before I show you this system, which has multiple components, and I'm going to make it available to you, let me tell you how much it costs. It's $49.99 a month for what I'm about to show you. That way you're not wondering. So what am I talking about? Let's get into this system and let me break this down and show you what I'm about to make available to you. So guys, we're going to talk about my program, which has multiple layers of strategies and components. The first thing, you're going to get access to my Genie platform. This is your own direct mail platform. You'll get your own platform in my system. You'll get free postcards. The postcards, the 4x6 and the 5.5x8, they're free. Just pay the postage. I'm going to share with you how to use the postcards. I'm going to share with you how to generate the leads to send to the postcards. There is a built-in lead generation component, which we'll talk about in a minute, in your software that you're going to receive. There's an amazing postcard designer in system. If you're familiar with Canva, you're going to love our designer because it'll let you make some amazing postcards. You get my done for you complete postcard, letter, and email library complete with scripts. Over 9 niches of postcards I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on. You're going to get them for free. They are editable. They will jumpstart you on your direct mail journey. And by the way, we don't just teach direct mail. We teach targeted. We don't want you sending cards to everybody. We want you sending cards to people that will do business with you. And you're going to learn that in our system. You're going to access my weekly live training. So guys, I train 3 to 4 times a week live. You will get access to those private trainings. If you can't make it, they will be recorded and then uploaded to my private school academy. Right now, there's about 70 plus videos. None of these videos appear on my YouTube channel, and you will gain access to this academy as part of my $49 a month program. You'll also get weekly training. And this is something I just started because we are getting so much business from our YouTube channel. We're going to share with you our secrets, how to do it. So weekly access to our live YouTube training and coaching and mentoring. Every week, we're going to give you a new video topic, complete with title, description, and tags, share with you why you need to shoot the video, and then help you guys as you scale your YouTube channel. And that's included in the program. Weekly coaching and mentoring. And then I'm about to launch, I'm I'm almost done writing the course. And once it's done, all of the agents using my systems will gain access to my 100 days to 100K challenge, actionable steps, everything you need to go after 100 grand in the next 100 days, and so much more, guys. So with my direct mail component of the system, you can leverage unlimited postcards that are free, just pay postage, to market your service. Say goodbye to paying for postcards. Our platform allows you to send out unlimited 4x6 and 5.5x8 cards. Just pay the postage. We'll handle the rest. We have a built-in targeted mailing list of home buyers and sellers at 10 cents a lead. You can go into your zip code, your city, your county, and you can purchase the most targeted lead you can think of for 10 cents. If you want to farm your area for buyers or sellers with Card Genie, you can build a laser-focused mailing targeted list. If you know what your perfect lead looks like, Card Genie will find them and let you market to them as you see fit. You can even market to them by separating credit score, income, and 150 plus more demographic selections. All of that in system included. Now, guys, all of our postcards come with what we call a dynamic QR code. So if somebody scans the QR code and you utilize that function on the card, for instance, if they get this card, it'll put their name on the card. This card says, did you know you could own a home for less than what you pay in rent? And it has a little message. If they scan that QR code, you will receive a text message and an email instantly on the name of the person that scanned it, their address, and what card they scanned. This is how you will scale your appointments, by knowing who is addressing your message and watching what you put out there. This is a game changer for lead conversion. We're also going to give you a unique link for you that you can easily send to your new and past clients once they fill out the form, and it asks them for things like their birth date, their anniversary date. Once they fill it out, they can be automatically added to any campaign you choose. As a bonus, members can store unlimited contacts in our system. Now, here are a couple examples, not in total, but a couple examples of the postcards that I've created for you. And again, over 9 different niches, multiple cards. What I'm about to show you are cards that are totally different than most real estate agent cards, or cards that you can buy from companies like Postcard Mania, Send Out Cards, and other types of card companies. These cards are meant to pattern interrupt. They are meant to stop the user when they go and grab that card in their mailbox and let them actually read your message. So here we go, guys. Foreclosure automation. These are the cards for the foreclosure automation. By the way, you can stop this at any time and read the message on the cards. We have offers built into all the cards. And by the way, all of these cards, 100% editable. If you don't like what we're saying on the card, change it. If you've got a better offer, put it on there. But these are stock ready to go with built-in offers, and we train you on how to use those cards for those niches. Here's our FSBO, our absentee owner. Here's our probate automation, our cash offer automation. This is great if you're using sites like Zoodilio, or if your broker gives you a cash offer platform. These cards are ready to go. And then we have 2 years worth of seller farm cards ready for you to launch. They will load up into your system already as an automation, and they are geared to go out once a month. You can farm like a champ, and these cards are not the traditional scan here to get your current home value. Even though we have cards like that, they are not going to go to a static landing page. We train you on where to send them to get these offers. Then we have a 12 card total 24-month campaign for past client automation. These recipe cards contain a message on the back so that you can guarantee that when they get it, they're going to remember you, and you increase your opportunities for past clients to refer you to their family and friends. Now, the Card Genie Plus system, so far, you're seeing that you're going to get free postcards. Just pay the postage. Built-in lead generation, built-in card designer. Send one card or automate the entire process to a list. Get my card and Canva letter and email and script library, my complete library. You'll receive it. Every time I create a new card or a new series of cards or a letter or an email campaign, you will get those as part of the program. You'll also get private access to my school platform with on-demand high-level training. But guys, we don't just stop there. Here's the other component to my system. Number one, you'll gain access to my private weekly live training Zooms. These include Genie training, training on the Listings to Leads platform, My Plus Leads training, YouTube Realtor Farm Channel Mastermind training, and more. You will gain access to those live events. We do record those, and they will go on the school platform, so you can also watch them as on demand. And as another bonus, if you take action, you will gain access when I release it in the next couple of weeks to my 100 days to 100K upcoming challenge. You'll get a whole prospectus, and we'll do a weekly 30-minute live with all of you that take advantage of this so we can hold one another accountable. And this training is the best way that I know for you to have actionable steps to get to 100K in your first year, in your first 100 days. And that will be releasing soon. And it's part of the components within my system. Also, weekly YouTube coaching. Guys, I'm very proud of this one. Every Friday, we do a live training on how to dominate your local farm with content on YouTube, how to create your YouTube channel. We release every week a new video complete with title, description, and tags. So we give you the video that you need to shoot with everything about that video every single week. And then we help you by keeping you focused on generating leads for your local farm. And guys, this one part or component of my system has generated 6 figures this year alone. These people come after me. I don't go after them. They watch my content and they reach out to me and we work together. And we're going to show you how to dominate that all for $49.99 a month, including everything we've talked about. And guys, Genie Plus, weekly live events, my complete library, everything we've talked about at $49 a month. The link is in the description. If you guys are interested, go ahead and grab the link and join us on this journey, guys. You're going to get access to everything we talked about. You're going to get your own direct mail platform, all of everything we've talked about for $49 a month. Guys, I just took my family out, my daughter, my grandbaby, my wife, and myself to Olive Garden over the weekend. It cost me $115. This is, in my humble opinion, the best friend that an agent can have. And guys, on top of all of that, you'll get my weekly coaching and training where I'll hold you accountable to all of this stuff. This thing has got me more excited than anything I've done probably in 15 years. So if you are ready to take action, I'm not going to funnel hack you. I'm not going to email you to death. Guys, just look below, grab the link. I will give you one note of caution. My Genie platform is 100% mine. That's why I can offer this at this crazy price. But if you've been a past Mailbox Power user, please make sure that when you sign up for Genie, because my platform is built using the Mailbox Power algorithm, it's built using their code. If you take advantage and grab that, please use a different email address if you've had Mailbox Power in the past, because it will confuse the system. So that's the only bit of training or caution I will give you. But guys, take advantage. Get involved with all of our weekly coaching. Grab our direct mail platform. Start this process, and let's get you on the pathway to 100K in the next 100 days. All right, guys, that's it. Please like and subscribe to the channel and come back often, because we drop content monthly to help you guys scale your business. All right, guys, until I see you on the next video, go get you some closings.